Hello, guys. Hope you're all doing well and welcome in this session. In today's session, we're going to be discussing about some useful tips. Um, this video is mostly about the topic of not recreating the wheel, not recreating the wheel. As software engineers, we don't actually need to recreate things over and over again. So when you're building, for example, a product, maybe let's call it a software or a SaaS product, there could be some components that you will need, and instead of creating those components from scratch yourself, let's say for example you are building some UI stuffs and you need maybe a card component. Instead of creating a card component from scratch yourself, you could actually leverage some cards component that has already been created by other devs, or that has already been incorporated in some other libraries in order to go fast, because time is money and you don't want to lose time, to waste your time creating things uh, that you could actually find on the internet for free. So this is what this session is about. So what we're going to do, let's head up to github.com. Let's head up to github.com, and so from here, once you're on the GitHub homepage, or maybe let's say when you are on your GitHub home feeds page, what you can actually do is when you for let's consider for example that you are looking for a package, you are looking for a platform, um, authentication related stuff, a package or a library that can help you quickly integrate off stuff in your application or in your software. So what you can actually do is type type in the search bar and type topic colon off. So these are, let's say, kind of Google Docs like things in GitHub, in order to reframe and let's say, yeah, reframe your search around a given topic. So you have a keyword like topic, you have also repo, and what I find most of the time useful and quite helpful is the topic one. Yeah, the topic keywords. I find it quite helpful, and it helps me find uh, great resources about a topic I want to tackle in my application, in my software development process. So if you are looking for off related stuffs or off related platforms that can help you quickly integrate authentication in your application, you can type topic off, and when you hit enter, you will get loads of repositories that are related to authentication. So here you can see that the repositories are kind of listed based on the number of GitHub stars. So the repositories are ranked from the most popular to the less popular one. And the first one here you can see that is Superbase. Superbase is listed first, and after Superbase you can see that we have Nest Off, and all those libraries that are listed here are kind of things uh, that are related to authentication. You can see Superbase, Nest of Caspian, which is related to authorization. Yeah, authorization is quite related to authentication in some ways. You have Lucia, you have Log2, which is a platform identical, similar to of zero, and as you can see, all those repositories that are listed here are things related to to authentication to authentication. I have this one also. Let's check it out. I haven't yet heard about this stack off, and it says open source of zero click alternative. It's built in TypeScript. Interesting. Stack off. So as you can see, these are things you can actually use in your project. Once you find the repository, all you have to do is just read through the documentation and find the ways to integrate it in your project, and that's it. And let's suppose, for example, that you are looking for repositories. You are looking for a platform that can help you build content related stuff. Let's say a CMS. You are looking for things related to CMS, content management system. So you can come here and you can see that we have Ugo, which is the first, which is listed first. You have also Strapi, you have Ghost, you have Halo, you have Directis, Payload, Filament, Decap CMS. Quite great resources, right? And that's a way you can use. That's a method you can use to find great resources on GitHub. And I find it quite useful most of the time when I'm looking for things. When I want to do some stuff that I don't actually want to do from scratch, instead of doing the same thing over and over again, you can actually look for well-crafted things, well-crafted products, open source product that you can actually integrate in your product, in your software, and not waste time, and actually uh, move fast. That's the goal here. You gotta move fast, because if you want your product to be out there in a reasonable amount of time, you gotta leverage components that already exist, and that's it. So you got the idea. That's the way. If you next time you are looking for something, let's say for example we are looking for something that's related to UI, you can type in the search bar topic : UI, and then you get UI related repositories. You have React, Storybook, Svelte, Chartsian UI is also listed here. You can see Semantic UI, Open Web UI, Penport, and it goes on and on and on and on. You got the idea, right? You got the idea. So that's what I want to showcase here. And as you know, You may not know it, but these are the this is the kind of method that Fireship uses to find popular projects on GitHub, and you know after finding the project, he does he makes quick reviews about it and put great content, great video content out there for you to check out. So next time you are looking for something, you can actually come on GitHub and do the same thing, and you will get. I think you will get your results, what you want, and you can move fast by doing that. So you will be leveraging product that already exists, and not recreating the wheel all the time. So thank you for following along. Uh, for those of you who are new on the channel, please subscribe, and we have lots of content coming soon. Thank you for following along, and see you in the next time. Thank you.